Introduction to Apple's Swift certification.
The Apple offers an official certification pathway for aspiring app developers who want to master iOS app development using Swift. This structured route is designed to help learners gain practical skills, demonstrate their expertise, and enhance their career prospects in the fast-growing world of Apple app development.
Why learn Swift for iOS development?
Swift is Apple's preferred programming language for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS apps. Known for its speed and safety, Swift is widely used by professionals and recommended for beginners. Learning Swift opens up opportunities to build and publish apps on the App Store, reaching millions of potential users worldwide.
Exploring Apple's official curriculum.
Apple's Develop in Swift curriculum is the cornerstone of the certification pathway. It consists of learning materials, hands-on projects, and real-world app development scenarios. Resources range from Swift playgrounds for beginners to advanced topics like APIs and user interface design, making it suitable for learners at any level.
Earning the app development with Swift certification.
To earn the certification, candidates take the App Development with Swift certification exam. The exam tests knowledge of core concepts such as app architecture, Swift syntax, problem solving, and debugging. Preparation is often done through Apple's curriculum or partner training programs offered at schools and community colleges.
Benefits and career opportunities.
Achieving Apple's Swift certification demonstrates your competence to employers and clients. Certified developers are better positioned for internships, entry-level positions, or freelance app development work. Many technology companies, including Apple partners, seek individuals with official credentials and hands-on experience building apps with Swift.
How to get started.
To start your journey, access Apple's official resources online or through educational institutions that partner with Apple. Begin with Swift Playgrounds or the Develop in Swift series, then progress to hands-on practice and certification exam preparation. With determination and the right resources, you can join the next generation of iOS app developers.